Hey guys, so if you want to be rich on animals and coins, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version for 2026. It works in iOS, Android. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to download. So let me just open it up right here just so you guys can see. So as you can see, here's the animals and coins, and you can see I'm broke. So if I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited gems. So let me just turn it up. So let's see if the gems start rising. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So as you can see, I've only got 4,500 gems. So let's see if we can get that to go up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's see what happens, and it should start going up. So let's see if this works. And yeah, it's increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this into your device. So let's get straight into the tutorial. It's super cool. So all you have to do is go to this website and then find it and then just press download, and there's like a verification thing at the end. So basically you got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free to do from official app store, and then you should get the animals and coins hack into your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. So at the end, it's going to say like missing files. So I just got to download some of these. So we got like misplay. This says play 2 games for 5 minutes each. And then we've got Reco Social, which says play 1 game. So yeah, these are pretty easy to do, guys. So just make sure you do 2 of them, and then you should get the animals and coins hack onto your device. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, try it out for yourself. There's anti-ban and everything, so you're not going to get banned. So that's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. All you have to do is download some of these apps. It's pretty fun. So yeah, if you like animals and coins, definitely try us out. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, my gang.